Hey guys, want to do a quick video demonstrating the Humvee wiper delay module from Henderson Engineering. It's a wireless communication device, talks to a module that gets installed on the wiper motor. And keep in mind, this only works with this style of wiper motor that has the separate switch. If you have the model with the integrated switch that's part of the housing, this device will not work. So what this allows you to do is have 2 to 20 second wiper delay by turning the knob. As you turn to increase the speed, it also instantly gives you a wipe. If you keep going past, you got full on low, and a little bit further gives you full high speed. For the wash function, it's programmed to give 3 wipe cycles after the button is released. So you don't have to keep fumbling with the button on low to get the wipers to wash. It's pretty quick installation. So here's the module that gets installed by the motor. So once you take out the switch, this goes in its place. We have a single screw hole so that it can mount to the housing, and then this connector goes into the motor where the switch went, and then your power connector that went to your switch goes here, and then this is the ground wire that goes to the 1/4 inch ground screw on the frame of the wiper motor. The remote can be powered by USB-C. We'll also have optional cables to be powered off of 24 volts directly, and then there'll be adhesive tape on the back, and you can mount that anywhere. So all it requires is power, either USB-C or 24 volts, and it communicates wirelessly to the box on the motor. So there's no need to run wires through your windshield frame or any of that. And this also lets you put the remote in a location that's a lot easier to reach instead of having to lean forward to turn the traditional wiper knob. These are going to be open for pre-order real soon, and you can check out our website. The link is below, and thanks for watching.